Hi everyone, I have a really cool tip for you. It works for travel, street, even things like weddings or family portraits. It's all about forcing the viewer along through your picture space. For example, take a look at the shot that I took in Athens, Greece. And what you'll see is the person is going to be walking through the picture space along the diagonal line. And that's exactly what I was hoping for. And I saw this scene and the light was just amazingly beautiful, and I knew that he would walk along the line. And this really helps your viewer because it allows your viewer to examine the picture space going from the top left to the bottom right, or whatever direction the line or even the S-curve or any type of path is predominant in your photograph. So just keep that in mind. Always look for a line, whether it be a real line or an implied line, so that your people, your viewers, can travel through the picture space with ease. Okay, I hope that helped, and check back tomorrow for another free lesson. And if you felt this was really helpful, please share it with your friends. And also check out markhemmings.com for a lot more Greece photos and some really interesting cityscapes within Athens, but also some nature shots that I took on the islands. So that's at markhemmings.com. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.